everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela again today, and I'm very happy to tell you that I did manage to deliver on finishing this Christmas journal. Oh my goodness, it's been a couple of days of really putting my mind on it and focusing, but I'm glad to say it's done. I'm so excited to share it with you. So yeah, I had a great time with this, but it just, time just flies by when you're having fun, doesn't it? And before you know it, the day's gone, and I think, gosh, right, so here it is, finally, only 2 months late, but Christmas in July, my journal's done. So I hope that you're going to have a lot of oohs and ahs as you see some of the things that we did together, if you were following along with my playlist. So if you are going to make a journal for Christmas in July, we'll get an early start because this is the last video with the flip through. All right, so there we have it. It is an absolute mega journal, and I think that's because I did a lot of these little pockets, 31 of them in fact, that have the little tags. This was a little kit that I did, and it took me a day just to do all 31 and decorate them all up. But I was having such a lot of fun, and obviously I make a rod for my own back because I attach charms to them all and everything like that. But that has made it chunkier than it was before I put them all in. I probably will take out some of them, because it's not every single day that you need to highlight, but there you go. Right, a little bit about this journal. It is 9 inches in length, it's 6.5 inches in width, and it has a lovely spine there of 2.5 inches. I've got the fabric on the cover, which I made. I still got a few pieces of this in my shop if you haven't got yours yet. And I've decorated this all up. I showed you how I did the cover, so that's all in the playlist, and the link for the playlist will be in the description box below this video. All right, we made the lovely tassel, and I love that. And the tassel is removable because I have just put an eyelet in there, so you can just take that off, and I'm going to take it off while I breeze through this. So let's just put that over there like that. Got this gorgeous tie closure. It's wired ribbon, which is lovely, and I thought a little bit of gold for Christmas, absolutely. All right, so there we have it. Lovely fabric, as I say, and that fabric goes all the way around like that. Okay, so let's open this up. Me and my double bows. Right, there we go. So it'll lie nice and flat here now, like that, when you open it up, so that's great. So we got 2 signatures in here, and I think all in all, I've got 66 pages, front and back. So yeah, nice chunky monkey, look at that, full of everything to do with Christmas. Okay, so this is a little pocket I made from the fabric. There was a fabric bundle for Christmas. I have sold out on that now, but as I say, I do have the fabric covers if you are wanting one. I've just made a pocket here with some of the fabric that was in that bundle, layered up some ribbon. This was a card that we made, and I just kept one and put it in here to remind me. And I love these greeting cards for Christmas cards. So I've just put one in there because it's pretty flat. Okay, and then we've got our whole 2 signatures. I think I'm just going to take my little container here, just so that I can get it at the angle I need to show you. Right, so we've got our little hedgehog page over here. And on the very first page, we did this lovely flip up with the tulle. I'm not going to open up everything. We'll be here forever. I've got a little card in there. I love this project. You got a tag at the back here as well. All the projects, I'm not going to say it for everyone, are on the playlist. All right. I showed you how to make these. This is the first one. I've attached it with a little paper clip here, so you can remove it. You can enjoy your page. They've got the little sentiments inside, and I've just decorated those up there. You're able to make little notes on the back if there's something you want to write on there as well. I've added little charms for each one, so it just slides back on there. like that, and then your little tag goes in the top. All right, so there we go. That's the first one. This is page 2, day 2, I should say. And as I say, I've put the paper clips back to back to attach these, but you don't need to. I haven't put them all up at the top. I've put them in various places, also just to help with the bulk as well. All right, this is another little project that we did. I love this one. It's got lots of little tags. I made a little belly band here as well. Love this project. And you've got a little tag in there as well. So yeah, great. Yeah, lots of exciting little projects. I've used my stamps from the Stampers Anonymous in here with the ink. So here and there you're going to see a few stamps just on the plainer pages. I've added little tabs to the side here of the pocket. So I've just tucked it underneath that pocket. Added some buttons from the kit. So it's very colourful, lots going on. One of my little envelopes, one of my little pieces of ephemera, and I've just tucked that in there. Now all the ephemera, all the tags and things are what I would write on, so that it doesn't deface from the journal. So that's probably what I will do. Another little one of those with another page. They're all removable. I'm not going to take each one off. Here's another one. We went through decorating the page edges, so I think you've seen that. This is just another little bit that we did. I think this was with my mini journal, which I've put in here. The cover from the mini journal, and I've added one of the elements, so it works so nicely to have lots of nice layers. And then we get to this. I think I shared with you, we made envelopes from book pages, and this is just the other side of it with all its beautiful decoration. And another little one of those. So yeah, I can see the glitters come off here from the ribbon, but that's okay. This is also one of the elements from the mini journal that I've added in here and decorated up. So I had great fun integrating the two. So here's one of this was a freebie that I gave in my Facebook group for Christmas. And then this is one of the template bits that I did, just with a nice little flip out. Love that. I've stenciled on there Joy with one of the Tim Holtz stencils. I can take that away now. So I've got lots going on here, stamping, stenciling, all sorts. It's everything, sewing, you know, inking, the lot. So just a wrap around for that. Just sewed on that there. This was an amazing project. I think it was Linda that inspired me to put on the tulle here. She put on lace, and I quite like that. So it's all these tags that come out, and you can see them through this lovely gold tulle, which was also part of that fabric bundle. And again, we've got big journal cards with lovely ribbons and lots of, you know, lots of decoration in here in the form of lace and ribbons and fabrics and just buttons and everything going on. So yeah, thoroughly enjoyed putting this project together with you. Some die cuts. I've decorated up the pages where I could. Lots of use of buttons and things, and yeah, I really love it. These colors, and I'm not normally a traditional Christmas colors person. Again, I've put a little tab on there on the side there, but I quite like how these came together, so I might be converted, you never know. Another one of those on the other side of that freebie for Christmas. There we go. I did put the freebie with 2 Christmas freebies as a kit for next to nothing in my website shop, so you can go and pick that up there. Here's another little bit, and I think on this side I've just attached another one of these further down. So I was trying to spread the load with these, but as I say, I mean, I might take some of them out. It's just another little element from my mini journal, and there's just a little bit there like that. There's a pocket at the top, and again, I've just done some stenciling there. So there we go, and this one's got a pocket on the side like that. And we've got a belly band there with the little goodies sticking out. I love the little hedgehog. And here's just another one of the little numbers, so you know what to write for each day. And then this is the other side of the cover for the mini journal, which worked perfectly in here and created a little tucking space for things. Now these are great to put photos in, especially for Christmas and whatever might be going on. You know, some more page decoration there, and again another one of these, and they all remove, as I say. This is Pretty Little Pockets, the Christmas version, and it had all sorts going on. I loved making that. That was such fun. But of course, any of these ideas that are in this journal could work in any journal. It doesn't have to be a Christmas journal. That's just the theme. We made this little one-page wonder, concertina pocket, and I'm sure, yeah, it comes undone there. You can write your secret notes, you know, all the secret gifts you want to buy people or whatever. It's got lots of tags and cards we made to go in there. So yeah, that was a great one, and I loved making these from the fabric and the buttons as well. And then we've got this, and I've tended to put the tabs on the end of the pockets this time just to pretty it up a little bit. So yeah, there was a lot of work involved with this, as you well know, because you were there with me most of the way. Some more little bits. And that's the end of the first signature. Right, so a lot going on there. Right, second signature then, and I attached the little card thing there. Now this you didn't see me do. You've seen me do this, stick this on before, which is one of the mini pages, which I just fold in half and wrap it over this page here, and then I've just added on the rickrack, that's the word, and stuck on one of the little elements from the numbers kit, which is from this kit. Okay, that all comes together. Right, so that's that side. So yeah, I did love making this. A little pocket there, so you've got pocket at the back, and you've got lots of layers of pockets in the front. This is a bag that I actually sent with my Christmas fabrics, and I've put it in here because I thought it was a great place to store any ephemera or photographs from the day. That's why. And I haven't decorated it because I really liked it as it is, but you can clip things on here if you so wish. And then just another one of these little paper clips, make it straight, so it's one of these. I love that. That was just a piece of eyelash. I managed to find some tinsely ones, so I thought, oh, we got to have it in here. That's a fabric pocket we made, and a little tag, and all these little bits that go in the front there. So cute. And then lots of layering. Love this. On the other side here, we've got a pocket. I've got some bits in here. I had lots of ephemera over as well, you know, so plenty to go into this journal. Another one of these, and again, another one of the pockets that we made together, Christmas pockets. And yeah, lots to see. Yeah, and again, these come out, so you know, this is just for the days, a little tag in there. And then this is the center of the signature. And that's something I haven't done, is put on my little circles there, but I'll do that. This was the middle of the signature, loads of pockets here, and this is the sort of center spread. Lots going on, lots and lots and lots. I love this center spread, it was really great. And again, love the ribbon there. There we go. So that's the center spread for that signature, and yeah, love those. And then on this side, again, another little pocket. Made these beautiful tags. This is one of the ones I made for I think the Christmas collaboration we did, I think. So that goes in there. Lots of ribbon. And this one I tucked the day into here, so there we go. This was a gorgeous envelope pocket we did, or envelope project, I love this. So we've got these little bits in there with the tags, and of course you've got more tags coming out over here. So this was a lovely project. I really enjoyed that one. So that just goes over there, little dog's face peering out, and yeah, that was great. And then we're coming to the end. Another little flip out that we did. Again, some stenciling here of music and stamping from the same Stampers Anonymous Christmas stamps there, and another little wrap over. And this one we had a little shaker, so that's over there. We made that shaker card. Trying to shake the whole journal under the camera, that was brave, wasn't it? Another one of these little things, and then this side is the closed side of the bag, and I just clipped a little clip and the goodies on there, but you can always cut that off with a pair of scissors to put in ephemera or anything else, or cut off the top to store it in that way. And I've just stuck another one on the back there. This is just one of the envelopes from my ephemera kit, add-on kit I should say. That goes there. I love that image. And then we've got our last pages here. I've obviously counted wrong somewhere. I've got them wrong here, but that's right. I made all 31 of them. This is a little tuck spot, so I just turned this over and I put in some ephemera pieces there. Made a fabric ruffle from one of the fabrics in the bundle, and that was a great bundle. This side, let me just lift this up a little bit. This side I've made another little tab I should say. Decorated up this little pocket and put in 2 ephemera pieces there, and then that's the last of the journal. And you can see this is what I've used for the inside, and that's the bit I've used for the spine. How is that? That's amazing, isn't it? All right, so that's the Christmas journal, everyone. I can tell you I'm so relieved to have completed it and shared it with you. Job done. I got one more that I need to catch up on, and that's the autumn journal, which I hope to have in the next I'm not going to say next week, but in the week or two. And on Friday I'm going to do the cover, I think, for our current book, Lovers Bliss journal, which has been amazing. Thank you so much for watching. This is an early start on your Christmas in July. I'm sorry it took so long, but the bulk of it was really done, so it wasn't that you couldn't finish it off yourself. All right, go and stay well, have a great week. I'm going to see you on Friday, as I've promised. So thank you, everyone, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.